Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Horizon Forbidden West. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Horizon Forbidden West on your device. And if you have already started your game, then you may go into the pause menu and enter settings. However, the language options are locked. So you will need to exit and return to the title screen in order to access the main menu. Now from here you can go into settings. And now make sure that you are within the General tab. Here at the very beginning, you will find the text language. You can scroll through the various different languages that are available. And once you have found your desired language, you can just press the back button to save your changes. After this, your text language will be changed right away. And you may continue to play using this language in your game from this point on. If you wish to change it once again in the future, then from the home page, you will need to go into the fourth option from the end, which is settings. And then from the very first option, you can switch your language once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on Horizon Forbidden West. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.